Are you looking for the best door hinges in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best door hinges that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Design House 181412 Satin Nickel 3-pack Door Hinge. The Satin Nickel hinges by Design House are built with 100% steel, ensuring quality and durability that will long last. For that reason, it is excellent for application to all doors. Design House offers affordable and quality home decor door hinges to homeowners, architects, interior designers, and developers to help create functional, beautiful living spaces. What's more, this unit comes in a pack of 3, each door hinges measuring 3.5 inches with 6 holes. Luckily enough, they are also available in antique brass, satin brass, and oil-rubbed bronze and satin nickel. The purchase is accompanied by a limited warranty of 1 year and mounting screws. At number 4, Iliopa 18-pack Interior Door Hinges. If you are in search of door hinges with a stylish satin nickel finish and robust and durable design, then Iliopa door hinges have good news for you. These door hinges are long-lasting and individually wrapped to protect them against possible scratching. The other pleasing property is that the hinges of this door operate smoothly to ensure optimum performance. And for easy and quick installation, the package is accompanied by 18 flathead screws of 1.5 inch and 108 satin nickel of 3/4 inch. What's more, all door hinges are beautifully designed and crafted to enhance your door with simple elegance. The Iliopa stands behind any of its satin nickel hinges for the door. At number 3, Amazon Basics Rounded 18-pack Door Hinges. Though small-sized, door hinges are an essential tool for establishing functioning and safe doors. In this case, door hinges by Amazon Basics work efficiently, smoothly, and securely, and these hinges feature in a variety of styles and chic, making it convenient to infuse charming stylishness into any room. These door hinges fix a door to its frame structure and allow for effortless, smooth, closing, and opening in. And most importantly, these door hinges are constructed using reliable, rugged steel to ensure long-lasting performance and everyday good looks. What's more, these hinges have a uniform look among all hardware sets and styles. The style options comprise of self-closing, rounded, or square. At number 2, Cauldham Oil-Rubbed Bronze Heavy-Duty Door Hinges, 12-pack. Cauldham door hinges are crafted from an accurate blend of premium-grade cold-rolled steel. It features a superb, corrosion-proof finish and is excellent in straightness, tolerance, and concentricity. Along with that, it has a 5-knuckle design alongside tightly machined leaves for minimizing play and allowing for smooth, silent performance. Additionally, it features detachable pins for convenient and quick door removal. Also, the hinges are mortise-attached. Hinges have about a motion range of 270 degrees. Each hinge has a dimension of 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch wide, alongside a 5/8 rounded corners radius. It's a premier basis for premium-grade fixtures and hardware that combine elegant design with exceptional durability and quality. At number 1, Alzassbg BGAL 9201 SN 18-pack Hardware Door Hinges. Alzassbg presents 18-pack cabinet brushed satin nickel door hinges. This hinge has plain bearing for smooth operation. Therefore, it is ideal cabinet hardware. Moreover, these door hinges have a dimension of 3.5 by 3.5 inches alongside 5/8 inch radius corner. There are 5 knuckles given in each hinge for strength and stability. What's more, the package features all mounting screws alongside polybagged for added convenience. Also, these premium-quality brushed satin nickel varnish door hinges include a detachable pin and full mortise. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.